Frustrated with weak vacuums and tangled cords? Here's the ultimate cleaning upgrade. Do you often find yourself battling with old vacuums that don't deliver the results you need? If your vacuum struggles to pick up dirt, clogs easily, or has a never-ending tangled cord, it's time for an upgrade. The Tineco Pure ONE S11 offers a cordless, lightweight design that eliminates those frustrations while providing impressive power. Whether you're vacuuming hardwood floors, carpet, or dealing with stubborn pet hair, this vacuum's superior suction and smart features will give you the cleaning efficiency you've been missing. Ready to elevate your cleaning routine without the hassle? The standout feature of the Tineco Pure ONE S11 is its iLoop smart sensor technology, which automatically adjusts suction power in real time based on the level of dirt detected. This means no more second-guessing whether you need more power or wasting energy on settings you don't need. From dust on your hardwood floors to embedded dirt in your carpet, this vacuum detects and adjusts to ensure a deep, thorough clean every time. It's like having a vacuum that knows exactly what your floors need, saving you time and making cleaning more efficient than ever. With a runtime of up to 40 minutes, the Tineco Pure ONE S11 ensures you have the time and power to clean your entire home without interruption. Gone are the days of running out of battery mid-task. The detachable 2500 mAh battery allows for quick swaps if you need more cleaning time, giving you continuous cleaning power. Whether you need to clean large areas or tackle multiple rooms in one go, the battery life on this vacuum has you covered. It's perfect for those who want to clean efficiently without pausing to recharge. While many vacuums are loud and disruptive, the Tineco Pure ONE S11 operates at a quiet 72 decibels, making it ideal for homes with kids or pets. You won't have to worry about disturbing anyone while you clean, and the vacuum's whisper-quiet performance ensures a more peaceful cleaning experience. Additionally, the 0.6-liter dustbin empties with a simple one-touch system, keeping your hands clean and reducing the hassle of dealing with dirt-filled bags or filters. This vacuum not only saves you time, but also ensures that cleaning is as easy as it is effective. Beyond its smart features, the Tineco Pure ONE S11 stands out for its overall design and durability. Its lightweight body, ergonomic handle, and versatile attachments make it easy to use for everything from floors to furniture. With a 4-stage filtration system that captures tiny particles and a clear LED display for monitoring your cleaning progress, this vacuum is as intuitive as it is powerful. It's not just about cleaning, it's about doing it smarter, faster, and more effectively. Upgrade your home's cleaning game today with the Tineco Pure ONE S11, the future of vacuuming.